Today's word of wisdom, we find it on Colossians 3 verse 21. It says, "Fathers, do not embitter your children, or they will become discouraged." This Bible verse, it shows us love is the foundation of everything. Even when you discipline your children, use love. It encourages your children with patience, kindness, and understanding. You need to discipline your children with love. You need to guide them, show them the way with love and kindness, so that you don't discourage them. Like, share, comment, subscribe for more of the word of wisdom.